Thanks for tuning in to our latest video. Please like and subscribe as well as comment below what you think. Financial literacy and taxes, 6 things you can do right now. Are you feeling frustrated when it comes to understanding taxes and financial literacy? Are you looking for tips to help boost your knowledge on both topics? You're in luck. We have compiled a comprehensive list of 6 actionable items that can immediately put you on the right path. From practical advice that simplifies complex financial transactions to essential information about tax law changes, you'll be able to start taking charge of your finances today. So sit back, relax, and join us as we learn more about how proper financial literacy can make all the difference. Number 1. Invest in yourself first. Start your own retirement fund and save for future goals. Why wait for the future to come knocking when you can start preparing for it now? Invest in yourself first and start saving for retirement and future goals. After all, if you don't invest in yourself, who will? Plus, it's much more satisfying to watch your own money grow than to sit around waiting for someone else to do it for you. So, let's jumpstart that retirement fund and show the future who's boss. Who knows, maybe someday we'll find ourselves on a beach sipping margaritas without a financial care in the world. Number 2. Take advantage of tax deductions. Look into deductions and credits you may be eligible for. It's the dreaded tax season, but don't fret just yet. Did you know that there are deductions and credits you may be eligible for that can save you some serious dough? Yup, it's time to do some digging and see if you're missing out on any of those sweet deductions. Let's be real, nobody wants to pay more in taxes than they have to. So, do yourself and your bank account a favor and take advantage of these tax breaks. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later. Number 3. Set up a budget. Track where your money is going, what expenses you can eliminate, and when you'll have extra income to put away. Are you tired of feeling like you're hemorrhaging money? Well, it's time to set up a budget, my friend. With a little effort and some keen tracking skills, you can find out where every single penny is going. And let's face it, you're probably spending money on things you don't really need, like that daily latte or the 3rd streaming service you're subscribed to. Once you determine where you can cut costs, you'll be able to save up some extra dough for things that actually matter, like that dream vacation or finally buying that adorable puppy you've been eyeing. P.S. Adopt, don't shop. So, whip out those spreadsheets, fire up the calculator, and get started on taking control of your finances. Your future self will thank you. Number 4. Educate yourself on investment basics. Understand the risk versus return of different investments and how to diversify your portfolio. Investing can be a tricky game, but knowing the rules can make all the difference. The key to success? Understanding the risk versus return of different investments and learning how to diversify your portfolio. Think of it like a buffet. You wouldn't want to load up your plate with only one type of cuisine, right? Similarly, you don't want to put all your money into one type of investment. Sure, it may seem safe at first, but if things go south, you could be left with a pretty bland and empty plate. So do yourself a favor and educate yourself on the basics. Your future self will thank you. Trust me, they'll be the one enjoying the prime rib and sushi rolls while everyone else is stuck with stale crackers. Number 5. Get an early start on filing taxes. Determine if you need to file any forms or pay any taxes due before April 15th. Tax season is upon us, folks. Before you start panicking and hoarding receipts like a doomsday prepper, remember that getting an early start on filing your taxes can help alleviate some of that stress. Plus, who doesn't love being ahead of the game? Do yourself a favor and determine if you need to file any forms or pay any taxes due before April 15th. It's better to rip off that Band-Aid sooner rather than later, and who knows? You might even get a nice little refund to treat yourself to something sweet. So, gather those W-2s and let's get this tax party started. Number 6. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRA or 401k to save for retirement. Retirement may seem like a distant dream, but trust me, it's closer than you think. That's why you need to start thinking about saving for it now. And what better way to do that than by utilizing tax-advantaged accounts such as Roth IRA or 401k. Not only will you be saving for your golden years, but you'll also be minimizing your tax burden. It's a win-win situation. Plus, Think of all the extra time you'll have to binge watch your favorite shows when you're retired, knowing that you made the smart financial decision to use these accounts. So don't wait until it's too late, start planning for your future today. All in all, managing your finances and taxes doesn't have to be a daunting task. Taking the time to research the options that are best for you, like investing in yourself, seeking out any available deductions and credits, budgeting regularly, educating yourself on investment basics, and taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts can pay off handsomely. Lastly, when in doubt, seek the help of a qualified tax professional. It's better to pay them now than Uncle Sam later. As always, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future content.